Hello everyone, so I've got these that are going to be up for sale, and if you're seeing this, you're probably from one of the Facebook groups that I've put onto. So these are, I believe, the G6XR throttle bodies that are from a Kawasaki motorbike. They were originally on my 2-litre Pinto engine. So this is a 2-litre Pinto engine, and just for those who are in America, this is not a Pinto as you know it. It's the Pinto is the UK version. 2-litre Pinto, manifold straight, it's nicely done. I believe it's a genuine Bog Brothers part. So you've got the throttle position sensor. This has been wired up so it goes on to my Nodis. That was for the kit car. It's nice, they do sound okay, and it is a used unit. However, I need to get rid of this for purposes of another project, and this project that this was off, which is my kit car, is no longer required. If you have got to this stage and you are even listening to what I'm saying, please subscribe. One of the next videos is going to come up, and potentially you could have my kit car for free, because that's just the guy I am. So anyway, if you got that far, by all means, like, share, subscribe. If you're interested in, great. If you're not, these are nice. I have liked them. I'll put the link to the video of me driving with throttle bodies on, and also the car running before it was taken off. This, again, it was taken off purely because I didn't put antifreeze into the engine block, of which we had a cold snap, it froze, it broke and cracked it because it's cast iron. So there you go. If you want this, let me know. But everything's got to go with the kit car. See you later. Bye bye.